Here I have Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to open the slot. The slot for your cards is located at the top of the device right here. So let's use some thumper tag or special eject tool to open this slot. In my case, let me show you that the simple thumper tag is enough. Let's just press it into this hole right here, and now you can remove the whole thing from your device. So let's remove the whole tray, and as you can see here, you can insert the Nano SIM card. So let me start with that. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Alright, this is the properly inserted card. Now let's insert in the second slot the micro SD. But before I insert micro SD, let me show you that that slot may be also used for the second Nano SIM card. Let's just simply put this card right here. And if you would like to use two Nano SIM cards, it is possible. Just insert these two cards like that. But if you would like to use that slot for the micro SD, let's use your micro SD with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put your card in that position. Right, now let's put the whole thing into your device. Let's press it to the end. Alright. Now all you have to do is simply press power key to switch on the device. So let me press power button. As you may notice, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus is switching on. Let me wait a couple of seconds and let me make sure that both cards works properly on my device. Alright, let's unlock the screen. As you can see, the SIM card manager pops up and the phone is reading our first SIM card, so it's a good sign our Nano SIM was installed properly. Now let's open the list of all applications, choose settings, select device maintenance, tap storage. As you can see, the phone is reading our SD card, so here you can use your external storage, your memory card. That's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.